Hello. So let me show you Ricoh's big production machine. Ricoh Pro C7500. It is an upgrade of the 7200. The basic parameters are similar to those of the C7200. The resolution is 2400 x 4800. The speed of the C7500 is 85 ppm. The speed of the C7510 is 95 ppm. 7200 it is compared with 7500. The two most important differences. The first is that the paper thickness and medium practicality are wider. The C7200 can only print 40 grams to 350 grams. This machine can print 40 grams to 470 grams. Its media adaptability is the same as that of the C9200. Because it has elastic transfer belt, it has this function. Second, its monthly print run will be higher. C7200 is about 650,000. This is its maximum capacity. But this copier can reach 1.5 million capacity every month. This is the main difference between the two. One is that paper has a wider range of media applicability. It can reach up to 470 grams. Before using 470 grams, you may need to buy a C9200. But the C7500 already has this function. The second is capacity. Its capacity 1.5 million. Close to the capacity of the C9200. But the price of its whole machine will be cheaper than the C9200. The production year of this photocopier will also be more recent. This photocopier was produced in about 22 years and 23 years. It is a product within the past 3 years. Which users is it suitable for? Actually, it's a little bit like 92. For example, a large graphics store, machining centers and printing companies, and so on. Especially for some digital transformation stores. I used to do offset printing, or traditional printing companies. Now I want to do digital printing. The first machine I want to buy. You can choose 7200, 7500, 9200 or 9500. And let's look at the main components of the photocopier. Comes with a vacuum carton, a server. These two accessories are different from those of the C7200. This is the N50i server. This is a mainframe. The mainframe panel of this machine is also different. The panel is a computer. It shows the operation interface of a normal computer. The C7500 has another very important feature, but this is a 4-color photocopier. The C7500 can also print the 5th color, 5th spot color, including gold, silver, transparent, white, fluorescent yellow, fluorescent pink, invisible red. There are 11 colors in total, so it's suitable for personalized printing. Do small batch printing in all aspects, especially like the popular merchandise products. Creative products are very suitable for. Okay, let's move on. Here is its finisher. It's a big finisher. It is the same as the C8300 finisher. It's a high-end finisher. Highest matching. It can also add S9, or the extended tray of S14 is here. Print 700 or 900 mm paper. You can also add bypass to print 1.26 meters of extended paper on it. You can choose by yourself. Now let's see how it prints. There's no editing, speeding up, or filters. Now using coated paper. You can see that the overall color is very even. Color performance is also excellent. If you want more information or a quote, welcome to contact me.